bottom online, you can choose highlight or dim light. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. I'm Alvin. Today, I will introduce our hot-selling solar spotlight to you. Their unique design and more welcomed by customers. This one is Y80516 with a plug-in design, and this one is Y80513. It is little bigger than this one. They are widely used for gardens and patios. Now, let's look at their functions. They come with a built-in light sensor, so it will light on and light automatically. They have two level brightly. By switching the bottom on light, you can choose highlight or dim light. Well, they're equipped with a 3.7 volt, 2200 mAh lithium battery. After fully charged, they can work up to 10 hours. This one, YH0516, has 8 pieces LED, and each one is the 0.5 volt. This one, YH0513, has a 12 pieces LED, also 0.5 volt. The brightness is between 30 to 80 lumens. It is good enough to light up your garden. They are very cost-effective products. If you have your own idea on shape or function for a product, please feel free to contact with our company. Have strong R&D team, and we can provide both OEM and ODM service, so we will make it happen. Well, we come to the end of this video now. If you want more information about solar lights or Yinghao company, please give us your thumbs and subscribe to our channel. Also, leave your message. We will come back to you later. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye bye.